Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the Mummy Finger. Today's recipe is a simple vegetable pulav rice recipe. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Soak 2 cups of basmati rice for 30 minutes. Cook the rice in a pressure cooker or vessel with some salt. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee, one bay leaf, 4 cloves, 2 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Add 2 chopped onions, add salt. Saute till the onion turns golden brown. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix well and close the lid and let it cook for some time. Stir in between if needed to avoid burning. Add 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. After the vegetables are cooked, add the cooked basmati rice into the pan and mix with the vegetable gravy. Delicious vegetable pulav rice is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.